What's up YouTube? Welcome back to our next vlog. You know it's your boy 416-876 Jamaica. Right now people, we're back at Cedarbrae Mall, my people. And Cedarbrae Mall got a big upgrade. So I'm gonna walk through while we talk about how much it did cost me to do the tiling job and buying the tile and all of the expense them in Jamaica. So let's walk and talk, you understand people? So right now people, we're back at Cedarbrae Mall. You can check it out. This is the area of Cedarbrae Mall. And again, my people, if you're new to the channel right now, my people, I do the content for people that like to build house in Jamaica. I'm building a property in Jamaica right now. We call it the dream house, Airbnb villa style. Call it a day, you know. We live overseas, Canada, specific Canada, Toronto. And we're trying our best to build a property overseas in Jamaica. And I've been showing everyone the steps that I've been taking, the mistakes, not the mistakes, all of them. I just show people how me do it and how it worked for me or it didn't work for me. I just share my experience with everyone. So if you're new here, I just do that. I also do content of showing different parts of Canada, the beaches, the parks and stuff like that. And I also show the different ghetto, they call it, the different hoods in Canada, the bad places and stuff like that. And we do a lot of walk and talk video. Like right now, we're going to show you the mall again and we just go walk and talk. And I go right now, people were there, Canada and tired, I'm going to go in there and see if they have any summer stuff on still, because you don't know what summer now. But people right now, I know the best time for buying summer stuff. Best time for buy summer stuff when them on sale, and that is in September. So when August are done, close in August, I hit September. Yeah man, those are the best time now to really pull out and get anything for sale, like your patio furnitures. You look anything like it I want to say can relax here in Jamaica. So those are the time I wait for. So right now people are going to Canadian Tires and see. So right now people, look on this nice patio set. So my camera now work too good. Look on a nice patio set of my people. You see it, look? $600 feet right now, my people. Six bills feet right now. I guarantee you, in the next couple months, that will be like $3.99. Probably some places you can get for $2.99. Yeah man, so as some go and do my sale. How are this? A fitness mirror. How I come with light? How I do? How are this do? I don't know my people. $1,500 for the mirror there, you know. I don't know what it do. Is that TV? Is it, how it do? Why that so expensive? Jaja God man. I could go in people. See them all have closet and my people. So all them closet there that you can buy and all fix up and put up in your house at Jamaica, you know. Now go check them out still. That they're on sale right now for 2 bills. Now go check them out still. But you can get that for cheap for all $100. Yeah man. I can walk through right now, my people. Let's see that. So right now, people, we are Canadian Tires. And we just go walk and we talk. Right now, so my people, I put out one of them all them jacuzzi I want, you know, my people. But I go buy the inflatable one and go and use that now. I see a couple Airbnb with them in Indonesia when a youth named Ace was touring. Selling things I know, my people. You know what I'm saying? Display Markham. Or just the bench alone, $275 for the bench alone, you know my people. Because I love all the table here outside. Display markdown, $579. But that's just the dining table alone. I need the bench and everything with it. Because that's nice in Jamaica too. So my people always just come in the summertime and just check out their furnitures and what they have. And I just start right down and see what me are going to buy when the summertime for done. All them chairs, my people, you can't buy them chairs in Jamaica, you know. Them one and it just cost too much money to ship them down. But we can put them in a box and box them and put more stuff in it and ship it off. Still, a $30 for them. Jamaica about $9,000 you pay for one of them chairs or $12,000. Yeah, it's very expensive, my people. Come over the set here. You must set all the set here right now, $1,500, a $2,500. This is a nice for outside, you know, my people. Nice cassettes. I'm going to buy a couple of these too also, or probably just one of them. And we can put up and vibe out to see and wear. Not the cheap one them. And them have cheap stuff in it. You don't want them cheap enough. See all the barbecue them now people? If I look barbecue them myself $300. A $400 feet first, you know. But when summer come, when summer are done, all $150 I get that for. Yeah man, so we just go on up. But I love to have something like this. I'm gonna put my barbecue and I need this in Jamaica, but right, that's a $2,000. They must sell that for. Right, this on three to come from $2,600 to $2,500, $2,000. Probably in the summertime, when summer done, you can probably get it for $1,600, $1,500. But then if you ship it off now and if you clear it, you can run your back. But it's still cheaper than even if you build something in Jamaica and with the look of it have. Because if you buy wood and stuff for Jamaica and the aesthetics and stuff, you know. If you get something like this, they're going to run you a good $500,000 or even more. Probably about 10 grand by the time you're done. Or $1 million Jamaica by the time you're done. Because thing up this not too bad, you know, my people. I don't know, my camera just not working good, you know, my people. I just have to go on. You see it right up there, my people. 2 bills feet. In the summertime, you can probably get that for $79. Yeah, man, my people. So I could just walk and talk right now and see what else. I think that's about it, you know. But we are going to walk through and show you what I go on. So yes, my people, again, we at Cedar Bay Mall, just checking it out. Just a walk and talk with you. You see it. People, again, if you want to help me support me, help me get one camera now, please. DJ Pocket 3. Yeah, man. And again, to also my people, if anybody wants to talk about their or share their home experience of building a house in Jamaica or over in the world and want to show an experience, and we can WhatsApp each other. I'll go up on WhatsApp and we'll talk, and then I will upload that video of sharing you guys different experience. I'm gonna be starting that up too. So if anybody wants to share them experience, what family problem them go through in a Jamaica, friend problem, girl problem, baby mother, woman problem of building a house, a property in Jamaica, I will take on the task there for share phone opinion on this channel, our reason while we're on the phone and talk. Alright my peeps. But now people, let's get back to the tiling. So boom, now the first set of tiling reach Jamaica. The first people, the best place really get your tile, my people, and don't make nobody telling you nothing. You see, my drive got Tile City, my drive got Home and Things, my drive got Budget. Our Budget the name? Budget are one of them. My drive got Fields, our drive got Active Homes, right? And tell me how people, everybody always said Active Homes is expensive, is expensive, is expensive, is expensive. Let me tell you something. Active Home was one of the cheapest. When I say Active Home was cheaper than, I think a Budget. I think Budget was the cheapest. Or oh yeah, Budget. I thought at 6 Mile over the Ananate Bridge. I don't know if I Budget it name or one of them there. But they were actually cheapest, right? But the tile them what them have no look good like Home Active. So you know I'm gonna buy for them tile, but I did buy their tiles for the veranda and the washroom and the bathroom them, right? And I still gonna buy some for the rooftop too, right? So I just share my experience with doing it, so I can when I go down there and I can do full own research. But if this video can help you from now, me I go tell you, just go Active one time and go buy some tiles. Active is not expensive. More time when you go, them have sales on their tiles and stuff like that also. So if you're going a good time, like I did, the tiles I'm gonna buy was marked down. The first set of tiles I'm gonna buy with people, I get 1 pallet a tile, because when I went to the girl, I just check it up, I check up the square feet of the house, and it was 450 square feet. Just say 500 square feet for upstairs room alone, right? The entire house was 1,500 square feet. So I go to the quote of how much it cost me for build for tile out a 1,500 square feet house plus 2 bathrooms, right? Over $2 million. Yeah man, my people. I did not know tiling was that expensive. That was a tiling and paying the person, the up. And why it was so much, you know, so the first set of tile I'm gonna buy 1 pallet of tile. I think it came up to, I think a 1 pallet, yeah. About 3 times you have to go back, you know. So them first set there, think I 32 or 64 tiles, right? Came up to $400,000 Jamaican. Yeah man, remember the video where we broke down? Yeah man, that was the tiles, right? So I wasn't a pallet. Yeah, I think a half a pallet a tile, right? It came up to $400,000 Jamaican dollar. Plus, now you have to go move it and bring it and stuff like that. So you just add one next money upon that. I have to pay the money in my warehouse, and everybody want a little bit at the end of the day, right? So $400,000 that did cost me for the first batch of tiling. The tiler now himself, I don't really want to put it out there, I just going to say a number. But the number what him quoted me, him quoted my father first, I'm saying I want $600,000 to tile out the entire property. That not include the outside part, separate that, that are just the 1,500 square feet of the house. Yeah man, so I'm saying I want $600,000 just to tile out the property. Now for $600,000 I pay. But by the time I had up all that money what I spend, I probably so. Because I have to pay for workman every day, 2 workman every day, sometimes 3 workman every day for help him. We'd have to buy food, liquor, gas, toll. So when you add up all of these prices every single day for almost 1 month, you want ball. Yeah man, you want ball. So now we go so boom, we buy the first set of tile. We do the thing. We finish tile out the upstairs. I think I had like probably 10 or 12 boxes leave. I have to go back at home. Active home again for a purchase a next say $400,000 more worth a tile again for the start the downstairs. So now start out the room. I think the tile we'd have finish up the room downstairs. That was great. I had to buy the different washroom tile now for the bathroom. That again, that was on, I think that alone cost me for the bathroom tile. When I was there, I think the bathroom tile cost me $60,000. Right? Them bathroom tile. And again, my people, if you see the tile at the house, I'm going to show you, while I talk, I'm going to show you some behind the scenes. Too, also, so you can see the tile at the part them what I talk about, But them tile cost me about $60,000. But them never cheap. And a couple boxes of them may get. Right? For do the house. Push forward again. After me done by tile, after me done by them tile, A whole heap of broke tiles. So now I have to go back again and buy more full tiles again. And I think I have to buy a more. I think it come up to our next $150,000, $160,000 worth of tile again. Plus me done by the countertop. The countertop marble or granite tile we buy now, the big slab. That was $80,000 plus tax, so you can say $100,000. Plus we buy the next small kitchen slab also. I think it's a 4x8 slab. And that one they come up to $20,000. Then now, we need to put in consideration how far active they know, and that's the next problem to my people. The location is part there now, and which part active there. And a lot of people can't reach over them area there. Because active there, we up in New Kingston, out of Halfway Tree, uptown. My property there, all the way out of Linstead border, you can't bring that big slab, the big slab, about 10 people have to lift up that big kitchen slab. You understand? If you don't want a full detail on how I build the kitchen island, my design, me come up with it. I watch one bag of YouTube video. I show my cousin how to build it. And he was happy after that because I know I want to call a kitchen island job for build kitchen island because he just love the idea of it. And him can make it work and how I make it work. You understand? But that kitchen island cost me just say $100,000 with tax and fees and everything with the next the next countertop for the next side also. So now you're so fast, I'm gone over $1 million already, my people. Sorry, the sun. You're so fast now, I'm gone over $1 million. Super fast. So when you calculate the money price and stuff like that, my people, just make sure you're at Jamaica. Because I see people are tile out house at Jamaica. I say, oh, them just a tile out house, a tiling cheap. The finishings, them always tell me, say, the finishing on your house, you're going to cry. I say, if you just buy tile cheap, man, and people, I buy about 2 times, I have to buy about almost 2 pallets a tin set. I buy about 50 bags of cement. Sun was there already, so I didn't have to buy sun, and I have to throw no water and up at the place where I have to continuously buy water and stuff like that. The first week we couldn't get no water, I have to borrow water from somebody around the corner, then charge me $1,000 per drum. Jamaican, so that's like $10. Right? And remember rainwater, you know, but them people that nobody gives a rat ass about you in Jamaica. Remember I tell you that. You hear me, people? Nobody not care if you know them a long time. Nobody care if you want to deal with them again. Nobody care. Remember me tell you that, you know, my people. See, from here, from foreign, my people, or you think you have money, them just want to use you and abuse you, and because them think your life is so prestige and your life is so up and you have it all, you're from foreign. Them don't know the stress what over here have to go through. And then when we do come down there and see them wanna try pull off a fast one. Me have a man right there say my big man, I beg my money for cut down. The man say, oh, him not have money, and the man come over me yard. And me give man say, brother, my last $5,000 that me have in my pocket right now, I not even know me I go home, you know. I need gas. And I say, no, brother, I nah give me $5,000 like that, you know. See, yard it need cut down. When you have some time, you just cut it down for me. From, you know, say all to this day, the place not cut down. I mean, if you go back to Jamaica, I go talk to all them type of people. Yeah, I go say, because they try to nearby me, I say, yeah, I am by. But I don't want nobody up in my face again, my people. Because them people are up in your face. And you will think they're genuine. These people are not genuine. They're not. So when I go to Jamaica, my people, you stay upon on the 1-2s and just do anything and cut. Until the project is finished and done. You understand? But the finishing them for the house, my people, it's expensive. Over $2.5 million I'm spending in that 1 month. And that's probably still cheaper. Still cheap compared to some other people project. Because my roof costs $2.8 million or $3 million. When I talk to my friend, the man says $7 million and pay for film roof. But film place is way bigger, right? Probably your spot is way bigger. Probably your spot is way smaller. It all depends on what you're going to spend. But them don't know how I come across to get the $2 million. I have to save and sacrifice, borrow money. Much people we have to pay back when all of someone with property all finish. Just because we don't want to borrow no loan from no bank. Because them banks see a bank must stand up right this front. Bank a problem. When them interest rate and everything lick you, them they a problem. That's why everybody always say, you know, Jay, why you never just buy a house in a gated community and stuff? Let me tell you something, these gated communities now. A lot of them soon start can't Airbnb out, and a lot of them started it already. So now you have to go start to do the fine print. And again too, I like music. I like party. I like enjoy myself. I like get up and vibe out with people. More people come over. When you have gated community places, yes, you can do it in some places, but you don't have that freedom. By 11 o'clock you have to turn off your music. But up on this hilltop right now, I don't have no neighbors. Yes, we have neighbors, but I'm free to do whatever I want to do. That's why a lot of people go to Jamaica and build them property and be happy than a gated community house. Like me saying to my people, yes, I grew up the entire my house, so nobody not gonna come broke in like that at the end of the day. And again, I not go to Jamaica to cause mischief with people who want to live in a gated community. Yes, it's safer to me at the end of the day. I will tell anybody who's going to Jamaica to live, get a gated community if you don't know what you're doing. Alright? Simple as that. But if you're gonna do Airbnb and stuff like that, them must stop that with gated communities right now, because a lot of violation. You're gonna violate the people in property, the guests, this and that, the pool, all of them stuff there. It's out there. You can go read about the article. I think I did a video about it. I understand my people, but gated community, and forget all that, and remember again, my people, I never really want to pay no mortgage or take no big loan from the bank, because you never know how this world goes. You see last week, 2 weeks ago, or last week, I couldn't even work, dropping a depression, stressed out, anxiety attack, panic attack, nervous system went straight to the garbage. All of them stuff that can happen. Your sickness your health can take a hold of you, and then boom, now you don't have the money to pay back the bank. No, them take your property, or you're in a debt. You understand? So I never want that for myself. So I say, you know what? Me take my time. From 2021 now, we have built this property, you know, my people. If who knows, all of the real people them out there knows, right? And from 2021 now, we do out there, I build and I try to make this property work. We're on the final leg right now. I'm still pushing. Father God will make it prevail and overcome and get it done. I wish I could get the money to get the pool done, but look like we have to go open up the house, the Airbnb, without the pool. And we're just opening the downstairs. When we finish up, people, we just have to open up just the downstairs. But all of that, we're going to see new videos when we go back to Jamaica. But we still finish up whatever local details right now on the dream house and see what we can do and stuff. Like I them saying, people, Rome never built in one day. And I'm not going to rush the house no more, because that would put a lot of stress on my body and mindset. So I'm not really stressing about it, you know, my people. Whatever local we can do, we do. For next year, for next 2 years, the next 2 years, you know. But it's getting closer and closer each year, you understand? And everybody out there, we have built house, don't go through the same thing. You don't rush it though. We just take our time and we build and we make it work. Alright, my people. But so far right now, my people, I think I spent 2 point something $million when I did at Jamaica, and I really check it up for the last week. And I say, that's so much money I go through. And probably that it wasn't 2 point something, you know, probably a little bit more over, or probably a little bit less. Why am I say that? No, probably it's the same, because probably I just not the tiling alone. Because remember again, me that pay for other local stuff to fix up on the house to also. Probably me I just take all of the money in consideration. But the tiles are not cheap, and those tiles I got them on sale. Luckily, one of them tiles about $4 one. I remember you get all. Yo, you get that. Oh God, my people, a whole heap of money I spend, man. I like me some people. Just prep and make sure you get the square feet of the house. Because when you go there, I'm going to ask you what the square feet of your house or you want, so then can best advise you how much tile you probably need, but so you don't have to go up and down. Because just to pay a man from out of half a tree to go Linstead, a $50,000 a man charge me $50,000 to $60,000 to bring that slab, the next slab. So you know how I do, my people? I just buy one next $200,000 worth of tile and throw it on the truck. And I buy one next half. What? I buy, I think, a half a pallet more, a tin set, and throw it on the truck. I say, no. I think one pallet I buy again. And I say, no. I'm not going to make $60,000 just go so, or $50,000 just go so. Just the transportation. But they have to take a toll and all of them things so, and take a toll with truck. Cost money, plus the work of them. So everything costs money at the end of the day. You understand? So nothing I go. Me not try to say me cheap out the thing or whatever, you know. But when you look on all of the costs, them just add up. A ball you want ball, you know, my people. But you have to be fit and fair out here, you know, my people. Because remember again, you know, my people, you're doing this for you. You understand? You're doing this for you. Nobody else but for you. So when the property done, you best make sure your health is up and you can go enjoy your property. You understand? And that me I try to do right now. So the next trip, we don't know when I next trip yet, you know, but next time we go down there, we'll try to do a couple more work and finish it up. You understand? But so far, people, and we're still not finished in the tiling job yet, because we still have to do the outside wall. Not the outside wall, we still have to do the outside patio and the stairs for upstairs. So the man don't quote me already much more. I mean, I'm going to disclose that right now until we're done, because can't get in a contact with him. And We still have to do the steps also. So the tiling job still not complete as yet, but the house tiling job is probably 95% complete. We still have to put on the kitchen island and just clean up the house now and put on the sliding door. If people again too, if you want like a window man, you just let me know. He's the one who did all the windows for my house, sliding door, the windows and all that stuff. Alright, so if you need a window man, you guys just let me know and me plug him again. But I think I did plug him before, so you can check him out in one of the previous videos also. Him do all of the window gem on the house. Alright my people, so again my people, we are gonna wrap it up and show you the rest of CW Mall of how it looks now, the outside aesthetic of how it looks. And hopefully people just give the video a like, leave a comment, drop some share upon it. Cause remember again my people, it's my experience of how I did it and how what I went through. It's not your experience, nobody else's experience. It's what I went through. I'm just share it with Uno, so no bash me, beat me or kill me. But I tell you now what I went through of building this house in Jamaica. And please me people, I will leave a video and I will leave a knowledge I'm going over years and up on them videos there, you know. Can't just send me a thing for your camera. I need a DJI Pocket 3 because the Pocket 2 right now I have. And now hold up my people. And I beg, you know. I cry. I need it. Me want it. Alright. So if I beg, I beg. Alright. So I put out them videos and them knowledge, you know. Yeah man. And also my people, I'm gonna drop the WhatsApp channel link, and if anybody want to give me a call, you just comment, me send them my number, or you comment on the email, me send them my number, because I just don't want to put up my number like that, or link me on Instagram, you send my number and link on WhatsApp, and we'll do a big talk, and we'll go through it of your experience, and we can post it, record it, and we can post the experience, what you've been through building a house in Jamaica, of what you did and what you didn't do, and what you could do right this or what you couldn't do right this, or you know, she should have boom. But it done gone already. You just explain your experience. A lot of people probably want to hear on experience also. So I might just do that. Drop a video like that once a week too. Also, so probably we'll be getting 3 different videos. Probably do one hood video, one home video, and I will do one sharing the experience video. So you guys will probably be getting 3 videos per week, every week. Probably. I'm gonna try my best. But right now my people, we're outside Cedarbury Mall, and you know you can see how them fix up the outside. Now they bring back Marks. Remember Marks used to be in this mall too, you know. But because over there so Marks and Fit for Less there, them a close it down. Cause them a go build up a condo over there. So now they came back over here, and then now them have the Marks. They moved Dollarama from downstairs. I don't know what will be downstairs. And they also brought back Winners. Winners did move and come back and they're around there, so. And then they closed. And then now they also brought a gym here now, Fit for Less. Well, remember Good Life Fitness used to be here, my people. So now a Fit for Less now, they're back over here, because Fit for Less was across the road to also. So most I store them where them open up was across the road. Yeah man. So most I store them where them open up was across the road. And now them bring them around here. So All Wellness by Shoppers Drug Mart. I don't even know what that for. But I will leave that thing changes, so I just want for sure, you know. Also everybody who watch the videos, see how the Cedarbury Mall area upgraded now and look also. So anybody who haven't been here in a long time or overseas and a travel, you know, I want to see the upgrade now in the city. That's how it looks now, my people. So just want to again thanks everybody who's been liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel, and just to make it work, you know, my people. Just to make it work at the end of the day. But that's my experience, you know, my people, have tiling out the house. It cost me like $2 point something million just to tile out a 1,500 square feet, and I'm talking 3 bathroom, 2 kitchen, and veranda. Yeah, so cause we'd have to go out budget. I think I budgeted name or on a home and things, the one budget or one of them places, yeah, man, my people. I can't remember the name, but it cost us over there. So I think I bought like a couple boxes over there. But this is Cedar Bay Mall, my people. The update of how it looks now. Them even build some wireless electrical chargers also here. But you know, tree bad, my people. It's not bad. It's just a mall where I always come to do my vlogs them. And even when I just come to Canada, there's a mall where I always come walk out to, you know. Yeah man, simple as that. Clear your head, you know. Now that or that. Right now, people, beer store over here, LCBO, everything there here, you know, my people. So right now, people, we're going to end off the video. Right now, the sun. We're going to end off the video right now, my people. So right now, my people, just want to say thanks again to everybody who's been liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel, and just want to hit the 10,000 mark right now. So if you want to hit the 10,000 mark on YouTube, want to make me know. And again, like me some people, if you want to go through anything, you want to give me a call, the number will be, just leave your email, I'll send you my number, or you guys could just email me, or I'm going to have the WhatsApp link down where you can just link me in the channel, the WhatsApp channel page, and we can talk from right there and share an experience to the public of what I go through, because everybody wants to share them experience, right? So hopefully this video helps somehow, you know, or it's entertaining enough, wanna like it. And I just that you know, my people, everybody again, just like, share, subscribe. It's your boy 416 Gate 76 Jamaica. I am out.